Professor Dr. Vegupta, cardiologist, Delhi Apollo Hospital. We are doing transcatheter aortic valve implantation regularly, and we have been doing such cases all over the world. Dr. Crebier was the first to start. Today is 9th of August 2025, and we are showing you some steps of the TAVI procedure. So this is actually, you can see the catheter. This is a fluoroscopic view. यहाँ पे we have two sheath. One is venous sheath and the arterial sheath, and we check the iliac arteries with the help of this. Now going to the next stage, we have checked it again, and then this is a pigtail. This is the wire which is there, and this is the aortic valve actually. So the procedure is to start with. We have to actually cross with the help of a special catheter, a guiding catheter, and you see the procedure of crossing the valve. This is a AR1 special catheter, or sometimes people use AL1 catheter, and then with the help of this we will cross across the valve. So crossing the valve, you see the wire is going straight tip wire which has crossed the aortic valve. You can see that this is crossed the valve, and after that we will put the long elongated high stiff wire which is there inside this. This is a stiff wire which is there, and now we are doing a balloon dilatation. You can see the balloon dilatation. Pre-dilatation of the aortic valve is being done at the rapid you can see the heart is beating at the rate of almost 250 beat per minute, and this helps in no displacement of the balloon. And this is now the balloon is open, the valve is open. Now we are putting a stent like structured device which is known as transcatheter aortic valve, which is a pre-crimped device. And here you can see on the balloon it is a stent like structure which was devised for the first time by by Dr. Crebier. It was known as Edward Crebier valve. Now it is known as Edward Sapien. Now it is Sapien valve, but this is my valve from another company, which is an Indian company. And now we are with the good placement. These are coronary arteries. It has to be below the coronary arteries. We are injecting to know the right place, and then we can open the valve. And this valve is open with the help of balloon, and the valve is stuck. There is no stitching required. The valve stays there because of the calcium. This is a beautiful method of doing it. Dr. Crebier was the first to do it in 2012, 2002, and now we are doing it regularly. Thank you very much, Dr. Vegupta from Apollo. You can see the valve. A new valve has been deployed in a patient who was having a severe aortic valve stenosis, and I am just showing you the steps which are done. Very simple steps overall, but you need a lot